Hello, my super kids. Welcome to Fun Learning Time. Today is going to be so fun. We will learn counting numbers, number names, school supplies. Are you ready to learn and play? Clap your hands. Say with me 1, 2, 3, go. School supplies counting 1 to 10. Look at these. What do you see? Yes, these are colorful backpacks. So beautiful. Can you count with me? Let's go and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's your turn. Ready, steady, go. Well done, kids. Now, fast counting time. Let's count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. This is number 6. Say it loud. 6. Write the number 6 in the box. S-I-X 6. 6 backpacks. Spell with me. S-I-X 6. 6 backpacks. S-I-X 6. Well done, kids. You're doing great. Look at the next box. What are these? These are lunch bags. Yummy food inside, maybe. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, write the number 5 in the box. F-I-V-E 5. Spell F-I-V-E 5. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lunch bag. Now it's your turn. Well done, kids. You're doing great. Look at the next box. So many water bottles. Kids, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write the number 10 in the box. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. 10 water bottles. Kids, now it's your turn. Let's count 10 water bottles. This is number 10. Water bottles. Look at the next picture. What are these? Lunch boxes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, now it's your turn. Well done, kids. Now write the number 4 in the box. F-O-U-R. 4 lunch boxes. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lunch boxes. 4 lunch boxes. Look at the next box. A school. 1. 1. Let's count 1. Write the number 1 in the box. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Now it's your turn. One. One school. Look at the next box. Books. Let's count 1, 2. Kids, now it's your turn. Let's count fast. 1, 2. Write the number 2 in the box. TWO 2. 2 books. Spell TWO 2. Well done, kids. You are doing great. Look at the next picture. Pretty ribbons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, now it's your turn. Well done, kids. 8 ribbons. Write the number 8 in the box. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. Let's count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ribbons. EIGHT 8. Look at the next box. Notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's your turn, kids. Well done. Write the number 7 in the box. SEVEN 7. 7 SEVEN. Let's count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 notebooks. Say 7. Look at the next box. Triangles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the number 9 in the box. NINE 9. NINE 9. Kids, now it's your turn. Let's count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles. Kids, now let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 SIX 6. Again louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 SIX 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 FIVE 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. TEN 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 FOUR 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 FOUR 4. 1. ONE 1. 1. ONE 1. 1, 2. 2 TWO 2. 1, 2. TWO 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N-I-N-E 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N-I-N-E 9. Well done, kids. You're doing great. You are brilliant. Amazing job, my smart kids. Today we learned counting numbers, number names, school supplies. You are super smart. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye.